As a tenant of your offices, you pay a lot of money for your rent, service charges, and taxes. Are you aware that the service charges can represent up to 50% of office rents? During our missions on behalf of tenants, we often find out that service charges invoices can contain non-justified items. Maintenance contracts are not sufficiently negotiated or renegotiated. Certain costs are incorrectly integrated in the accounts. Are you sure you are only paying the service charges for your own space, and not for the space of others? Are you sure that you are not paying an undue share of the costs to the owner? Are you sure that the various maintenance contracts have been well negotiated by your property manager? Most tenants are not able to check the detailed costs. Are you one of 95% of tenants who are not able to verify the invoices of service charges, and who do not exactly know what they are paying for? To clarify your expense account, a fully independent expert with the necessary experience and knowledge in these areas can provide the appropriate analysis and audit. Once the audit is completed, a 100% independent consultant will guide you in bringing these charges back to their right level, even retroactively till up to 5 years. If you want to achieve the best results in your negotiations, give us a call. Business Space. Proud member of Axis Global Tenant Representation. 100% tenant representation.